Good morning, my brothers and sisters. We on 17th July 2020. This haircut of mine, it is called in Zimbabwe Zuda cut. Zuda cut, and it takes just like 15 minutes. It takes 15 minutes. Um, we near Reb, as you can see. Um, we have come to read some books and just to make some research. Um, we realized that this sun was needed because yesterday it rained. Yesterday on 16th July 2020, it rained in the morning, and the weather was really bad. So that's why I have cancelled my journey to Chimisagara. James Hazard Motoka has missed me yesterday, and I had to go and buy something, but I couldn't manage. So that's why I have decided to go there some other time. Just I'm going down there for my tea break, and I'll be back there to library. So let's hope that everything is perfect and you are keeping you just keep protecting yourself and your brothers and sisters where you are, so that we can fight against this COVID-19 that has spread all over the world. So people are suffering, and we've been suffering on in one side or another. So that's why we want just to let you know that things are going more and more bitter. So we don't know what we'll be doing. So what we have to learn is to live with this pandemic, so that you can so that we can do our projects. So I'm planning to go for universities 20 for the academic year 2020-2021. I have applied in the roles in the University of Rwanda College of Arts and Social Sciences. It is located in Huye in southern province. So if God wishes, I will make it. They will accept my applications, and also recently, sorry, I have applied for loan. That loan, I'm still waiting. Maybe after 15 August 2020, we'll be knowing what is going on. We'll be knowing if we are taken or not. So let me leave it here and just wait and see what is gonna being done, what is gonna coming to me, what is gonna come to me by the next month. So thank you guys. Let you, I wanna go across the, I wanna cross this road and go for my break tea. Thank you.